Hi guys, welcome to another IWCS video. In this video we're going to be discussing an interesting option you have with your iriComm 3.0 wireless headset. That is the option to increase the wireless range significantly. Now before I start this video I want to mention that this will only work for software versions of 1.51 and over. So let's get to it. Right, so let me show you how to do it. Basically, let me just explain to you first of all how this works. A iriComm 3.0 wireless headset is usually set up in the high bandwidth mode. Now this means that you have the optimal sound quality and a wireless range of 30 to 70 meters depending on the surroundings. Now with, like I said, the software models of 1.51 and over, you have the added option of putting it in a low bandwidth mode. Now this low bandwidth mode means that you're going to have a slight reduction in the sound quality, somewhat equal to what you see in the rest of the market, but you will have an increased range of up to 200 meters depending on the surroundings. So to put it in this low bandwidth mode, you're going to want to, and I will say that these headsets come unboxed in the high bandwidth mode. So to put it in the low bandwidth mode, you're going to press the center button, you're going to hold it down. You're going to hear the audio as we walk through it.
Power on, battery high.
Power on, battery high.
1.
1.
2.
2. Right now we're going through the wireless setup modes, 1, 2, and 3.
3.
You keep the button, center button held down, the mode button. We're at 3 now, and now we will wait for a tone, which comes. This is the same procedure you would do for a master reset. That was the tone. You then let go of the mode button. If you look at the bottom of your headset, you'll see the green light is on. At this point, you will press the down arrow on your headset on the right hand side. You will press that one time. Nothing will happen with the green light until you then again press the mode button in the center one time. Light goes off. This headset is now in low bandwidth mode with increased range. If you want to reverse it and go back, do exactly the same thing, but press the up button and it will be back in high bandwidth mode. So that's pretty much how to do that. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Now we've seen that very interesting option that you have with your headset. That's the video for today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and we'll help you as best as we can. Thanks for watching.